Our topic for today is the periodic table, more specifically, atomic structure. The content of this Powtoon will summarize some key points from our notes about the subatomic particles and give a quick overview for how to calculate the number of each subatomic particle in an atom. Now remember, we already learned about the elements and the roles they play in our lives, but now we're going to start our journey to learning how they get their characteristics and what they can do as a result. We have to know this before we can know how they react together or don't react together. Don't forget to refer to your periodic table. As you can see from this example, the atomic number is located at the top and the atomic mass is at the bottom for each element. When determining protons, the number of protons is going to be equal to the element's atomic number. Remember, the number of protons in an atom can never change. If the protons change, you will have a different element. When determining electrons, the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons if the atom is neutral. Cations and anions only affect the number of electrons. Cations have a positive charge and take away from the number of electrons. Anions have a negative charge and add to the number of electrons. When determining neutrons, subtract the atomic number from the atomic mass. The neutrons cannot be a negative number, so you will always subtract the smaller number from the larger number here. Don't forget to round the atomic mass before you subtract. The neutrons cannot be a decimal number. Lastly, when you use the term isotope, keep in mind that it only affects the number of neutrons. There are two ways to display isotope notation. In the first example on the left, the atomic mass, shown as 14 here, is always at the top, and the atomic number, shown as 6, is always at the bottom. Then you'll have the element symbol that corresponds to the atomic number. In the second example on the right, the number attached to the element name is the atomic mass. That concludes our quick overview. Remember to complete your homework. This practice will also help you tomorrow when we start building models of atoms. I've given you a quick practice to try here before you go. The answers are in our Google Classroom. Lastly, always use your resources. They are free. I will check in with each of you tomorrow.